Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. "72 grams of protein without any protein powder, sugar-free, dairy-free, all natural, all healthy, super tasty protein smoothie, made with chickpeas but tastes like liquid vanilla ice cream. So good! You get more protein than you get in most protein shakes, but way healthier and tastier. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of chickpeas. Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a blender. Along with half a cup of almond butter. 6 Medjool dates. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 2 cups of plant-based milk. Next, blend it until it's super smooth. Now enjoy a super tasty and super healthy protein smoothie. Thanks for watching.